Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog, I am going to bake banana bread. And it is recommended by my co-workers. And I tried it before and it was delicious. So I will share you my recipe. So keep watching! So here are my ingredients. Bananas. This is super ripe, so it's really good. And we got 2 eggs. We have salt, sour cream, flour, vegetable oil, vanilla, baking soda, and sugar. And we need 9x5 here baking pans. So first step, we need 1 cup of sugar and half cup of oil. This is vegetable oil. And we mix it together. Second step, we need to add ripe bananas. And 2 eggs. Half cup sour cream. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And whisk them together. Third steps, I'm going to add 1½ cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt, and mix it all together. So the fourth step, you need to spray so it doesn't stick. And then pour the mix. So I reheated the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we have to bake this for 50 to 60 minutes. Let me see. Wow, look at that. Looks good. Looks nice. Ta-da! So this is it. Yay! Our banana bread. Let me see how it looks. There you go. That looks so nice. It's moist inside.
Moist and delicious.
And delicious.
Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, you can see where the bananas are, the real bananas, not just flavoring.
There you go. Looks so good.
And now a cup of coffee and we're good to go.
Yeah, thank you for watching, guys.